Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the SPX and of course for the Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily close and we're gonna see of course what's gonna happen and what happened today. So basically yesterday we mentioned that we are looking for lower for a wave 4. I was mentioning that the perfect fib levels for a wave 4 might be the blue zone always, or not always, most of the case scenarios, but don't forget that we might have a 0.23 fib level as well, which is a also uncommon target for wave 4, but still can be of course a fib level. And here we go, touching it 100% precision and then moving toward the upside. Now currently after this 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, we are looking at an aggressive leading diagonal again, meaning right now we are looking potentially of course for a wave 5, which it might be very impulsive. Normally a wave 5 can reach of course those fib level between the next blue box, which it might be the 0.618, 0.786 in case it is impulsive. However, we don't have to forget that by simply taking the high, which is very fast for S&P here, we just took the high today. We took 3 highs right now in of course 5 waves, right? So basically, and it looks like a zigzag, so be careful with it. It might be also a finished wave 1. I know that this leading diagonal looks very aggressive and very fast in the wave 4 and a 5, but this means that the market is in a rush to move toward the upside. It is recovering much faster than ever. And that means, of course, it might be, of course, finished wave 5 here. We have to be careful. And then we start to move toward the downside again for a wave 2, which might be a shallow wave 2, and then moving for higher one more time. So you have to be careful, guys. I mean, at the end, the whole overall idea, yes, we are recovering the market. We are moving towards the upside and everything. So basically, right now, I just want to mention that in case, because the probability is there right now, I cannot ignore it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1, we're looking right now for potentially, it's a probability, guys, potentially a wave 2. Okay, it might happen, it might not. It might move for a very clear zigzag wave toward the upside, okay, for a wave 5. And this I cannot really confirm. I have to move inside it more and see much more insight, of course, in this. However, I can remove the ABC here and stick with this scenario, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. And yeah, basically on the S&P, I would say, guys, it's a little bit hard to see really the impulses inside it, but basically this is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top here. Extended wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You got the correction, and now you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Continuation toward the upside. So I believe that even one more high is a very possible. Now, what is the potential that we have? We have an impulse bigger than this. Well, you would like to reach the 1-to-1 fib level first, and we did. If we pass the 1-to-1 fib level and overshoot it right now, let me just reverse this. If we overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level and we move for higher, and that means, of course, something else might be unfolding, which is an impulse. Your target as an impulse would like to be the 1.618, and that means, of course, this transforms to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If this happens, therefore, I'm going to consider that this is a wave A, this is a wave B, and this is a wave C. All right? And basically, right now, it can be an ABC, took the high already. The high is taken. It means in a zigzag. One more leg even still potentially there available. And this means we finished a zigzag for a wave 5. If we overshoot and we take the 1.618, higher potential. If you get 3 waves down, you continue for one more leg toward the upside, the blue box. Yep, so these are the very fast for the market. It was really fast. I would say I was, yeah, I told you that be careful, of course, from the 0.23, but I did not like really expected so much. Yeah, like that it happens very fast, but it did. This is the market. Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, wow, okay, very impressive. Zigzag toward the upside after a wave 4 again. As we said in the intraday, we hit the 0.23 with 100% precision. We finish a wave 4 and we're moving right now in a potential wave 5. It can be finished as well. Be careful, it can be finished as well. If we move inside it, we see here a very clean, potentially this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, wave B, and you're looking for the second impulse already up. The market is very bullish, guys, I would say. Yeah, we finished a 5 waves. So we finished a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I think even it might be, of course, one more correction, one more wave 5 towards the upside. Very normal that in this case scenario, in an aggressive leading diagonal, it can be that the wave 5 overshooted, yeah, hitting those fib level, and yeah, then we take a look for a wave 2 again. Here we go, 0.23, and I believe wave 4 is finished. No ABC anymore. We got 5 waves anyway, so time to remove all of these, guys. Nice. So that was, of course, for this one. We don't need it anymore. Yep, that was for the SPX and NDX. Now, basically, yeah, let's prepare for the next also. In case we have a wave 2 and we finished a wave 5 here, that means, of course, the wave 5 can be finished here, potentially. I know it looks creepy, but yep, it's perfect as zigzag for a 4, zigzag for a 5. But I believe that it can be even higher. However, let us be safe. Always think in both case scenarios. What if this is a finished wave 1 and you're looking for a wave 2? Targets would, of course, minimum target is 0.38, 18K 400. And that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. Yep, so these are the updates for the SPX and NDX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.